Oh, who's gripping him up in the back streets?
Don't mess with the amazing.
He got gripped up in the back streets. I'm crying. How the fuck this?
Stay sharp. We're not there yet.
Ah! No, clip that, clip that.
Gave a long distance shoot.
Wait.
I've been through in the red room.
I'm thinking maybe she absorbed someone's ability that does that? That's not a thing. What the fuck was that? Wait, please clip that. Somebody please clip that. What the fuck?
Executioner!
I don't even know what did she just do? She did a shadow clone.
Only 60 seconds left. Us against the world.
Huh? I don't even know what she did. I don't even know what she fucking did to me, bro.